Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. In this tutorial, I will introduce Scholar Labs, an experimental AI-powered feature inside Google Scholar. Please note that Scholar Labs is an experimental feature. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to scholar.google.com. From the menu icon in the top left corner, look for an option labeled Scholar Labs or Experimental Features. If you see it, click to open Scholar Labs. If you do not see it, this means the feature has not yet been enabled for your account. Once inside Scholar Labs, you will notice that instead of a simple search bar, you are encouraged to ask full research questions. For example, let us explore the topic: recent developments in zero-divisor graphs of commutative rings. After entering this question, Scholar Labs generates an AI-assisted overview. This overview highlights key themes, major research directions, and important papers related to the topic. This feature is particularly helpful for researchers who are starting a literature review or entering a new research area. It provides a structured summary instead of a long list of search results. Next, let us look at individual papers. When you click on a paper inside Scholar Labs, you may see an AI-generated summary explaining the main contribution of the work. In some cases, Scholar Labs also highlights limitations, related concepts, and connections to other studies. Another powerful feature of Scholar Labs is citation context. Instead of only showing how many times a paper has been cited, Scholar Labs may explain why the paper is cited and how it contributes to later research. This helps researchers understand the influence of a paper without reading dozens of citing articles. Scholar Labs does not replace traditional reading or critical analysis. However, it significantly reduces the time required to identify relevant papers, understand key ideas, and map research trends. This makes it especially useful for PhD students, early career researchers, and faculty members preparing literature reviews or research proposals. To summarize, Scholar Labs is an experimental, AI-based research assistant within Google Scholar. It helps users ask better research questions, explore academic topics, and gain quick insights into scholarly literature. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more research and academic tools tutorials.